breakdown of hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen by potassium iodide. Mixing it with soap creates foam. I use warm hydrogen peroxide, which makes the reaction happen faster. And this is how you make a huge elephant's toothpaste. This is how I turn a bottle into a rocket. I put liquid nitrogen in a bottle with water. When I flip the bottle, the liquid nitrogen floats to the bottom. There it vaporizes and creates a huge pressure that shoots the water out of it. Potassium permanganate breaks hydrogen peroxide and creates foam. Have you ever wondered what's inside a Fanta can? To make this can transparent, I first have to scrape the can to reveal the aluminum which is made of. Now I'm making a solution of sodium hydroxide, which is a drain cleaner. I add 1 teaspoon of sodium hydroxide into water, and then I add just a little more. I have to open the can so it doesn't explode when the temperature gets high. Sodium hydroxide dissolves the aluminum and creates hydrogen gas, which is explosive. Then we're left with a plastic layer that was inside the can. This is called the chemical chameleon, but it's done in a different version, so I call it the chemical jellyfish. I put a little bit of potassium permanganate in sodium hydroxide and sugar, and it changes its colors. This is an Israeli snack we call bamba. It's made of corn and peanuts. Let's put it in liquid nitrogen. Now look what happens when you eat it. You get a dragon breath. This is nitrocellulose, a cotton that has more oxygen in it. Oxygen is essential for burning, and when oxygen is added to the cotton, it burns so much easier and faster. They release carbon dioxide. Then I add sodium hydroxide, which reacts with the carbon dioxide, and the pressure inside decreases. Let's make the magic wand of Harry Potter. When we mix sulfuric acid and potassium permanganate, we get manganese hexoxide. Did you know you can pop a balloon with your finger? This is the easiest trick ever, and you have to try it yourself. Just take a lemon peel, squeeze it with your fingers, and then touch the balloon. Now try it yourself and follow me for more.